The world isn't always loud. True presence doesn't need to shout. It arrives, and everything else simply goes quiet. At dawn, on a rain-soaked mountain highway, something waits. Low clouds roll across the asphalt, but they can't hide the form that rests here. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. The LED matrix headlights ignite slowly, cutting through the mist with a sharp, intelligent precision. The mythos, black metallic paint, deep and reflective, mirrors the cold blue sky. This is not noise, this is authority. Let your eyes trace the lines of its understated aggression. We're orbiting a masterclass in design. The massive single-frame honeycomb grille, finished in gloss black, isn't just an intake. It's a declaration. At night, laser-etched Audi rings illuminate a signature of modern luxury. See the razor-sharp HD matrix LED headlights, with digital light signatures that give it an unmistakable identity. Sculpted lines flow from the hood into muscular shoulders, hinting at the power that lies beneath. Every detail, from the quad-oval S-badged exhaust tips to the 22-inch forged performance wheels, wrapped in ultra-low profile tires, speaks of precision. This is stealth luxury, executive dominance with nothing to prove. Now, listen. The experience begins with a sound. In the stillness of an underground garage, the cold start is a controlled, deep pulse. It's the sound of a beast awakening. The V8 builds, not with a chaotic roar, but with a thunderous yet refined note. As the dynamic exhaust valves open in performance mode, the sound deepens, a clean mechanical symphony that is both thrilling and sophisticated. Power doesn't need to shout when it's already understood. This is refined brutality, a sound that resonates with confidence. Open the door, and you're not just entering a car. You're stepping into an executive war room. Soft ambient lighting floods a cabin designed for command. Settle into the Volcona leather sport seats, with their intricate diamond stitching. Your hands find the flat-bottom S steering wheel, flanked by cool aluminum paddles. Your eyes are drawn to the fully digital Virtual Cockpit Plus and the dual touchscreen MMI with its satisfying haptic feedback. Carbon twill, brushed aluminum, and open-pore wood trims create an atmosphere of bespoke craftsmanship, and the sound Audi Bang & Olufsen 3D advanced sound system turns the cabin into a private concert hall. But this space isn't just for the driver. In the rear, it's a first-class lounge. Executive legroom, heated, ventilated, and massaging seats, along with dedicated climate control and entertainment screens, ensure every passenger travels in absolute comfort and control. Customizable ambient light strips pulse softly across the doors and dashboard, allowing you to tailor the mood perfectly. It's the intersection of a private jet and a German engineering lab, where every detail is obsessed over. When the moment comes, the hidden beast is unleashed. As the sun sets, the S8 launches onto an empty autobahn. You don't just feel the acceleration. You experience the seamless delivery of twin-turbo V8 power. The legendary Quattro all-wheel drive grips the road flawlessly, providing unwavering stability. The adaptive air suspension lowers automatically at speed, hunkering down for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. This isn't just speed. It's effortless high-speed cruising, a feeling of total mastery as the horizon stretches endlessly before you. As night falls, the S8 reclaims the city. It glides through neon-lit streets, a dark, silent predator. Reflections of towering skyscrapers ripple across its polished surfaces. Its distinctive red taillights slice through the darkness, leaving a lasting impression. Finally, it comes to a stop under the city lights. The engine switches off. Silence returns. The statement has been made. This is the 2026 Audi S8. Power perfected. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see more of the future of performance luxury.